Moin, willkommen bei Glift. Ich bin dann Ehren Lützeburgische Sprachecoach von glift.lu. Hier ist die Wochenlektion Nummer 2. 10 geläufige Fehler mit Präpositionen am Lützeburgischen. Welcome, I'm Anne, your Luxembourgish language coach from glift.lu. Here is your weekly lesson number 2. 10 common Luxembourgish mistakes with prepositions. Prepositions can be very challenging, even for advanced Luxembourgish learners. Today, I will teach you 10 of the most common mistakes students make with prepositions and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. A lot of students make the mistake when answering the question "Von wo kommst du?" or "Von wo kommt dir?" They answer "Ich komme von Italien." This is not correct. You must answer "Ich komme aus Italien." So always use the preposition aus plus a country and the preposition von plus a city with the verb kommen. For example, ich komme aus England von London. Or ich komme aus der Belge von Brüssel. Mistake number 2. Sometimes students say ich wohne zu plus a country. This is not correct. The correct answer to the question wo wohnt dir is ich wohne an Frankreich and not ich wohne zu Frankreich. So either if there is a position or a motion, always use the preposition an plus a country. So ich wohne an Frankreich oder ich fuhren auf Frankreich an die Vakanz. Be careful, there is an exception with the country Lützeburg. If you are living in Luxembourg, you have to say ich wohne zu Lützeburg. Mistake number 3. So here's another common mistake students make a lot. Wo schafft ihr? The correct answer is ich schaffen zu Mama and not ich schaffen an Mama. So when there is a position, here the verb schaffen characterize a position, then you always use the preposition zu plus a city. Ich schaffen zu Mama, ich schaffen zu Diedling, ich schaffen zu Paris, ich wohne zu London. There's an exception. It's with the Luxembourg city, which is called Stadt in Luxembourgish. You have to say ich schaffen an der Stadt. Mistake number 4. Wohin geht ihr de Weekend? The correct answer to this question is wir gehen op London. Because here's a destination. Here you are going somewhere. So you have to use the preposition op plus a city when you go there. Exception is when you go to Luxembourg city, you have to say ich gehe an die Stadt. Mistake number 5. To answer correctly the question "Was macht ihr de Weekend?" you must answer "De Weekend gehe ich mit der Familie spazieren" and not "Am Weekend gehe ich mit der Familie spazieren." Use the definite masculine article den before weekend and not an dem or am. You don't say in Luxembourgish an dem Weekend. You'd only say the weekend or next weekend for next weekend or letzte weekend for the previous weekend. Mistake number 6. To answer correctly the question "Wen schaffst du?" you must say ich schaffen von Erdauer bis 5 Uhr and not ich schaffen Erdauer bis 5 Uhr. That's not correct. Before the time, use either the following prepositions: gained, von bis, like in this example, töcht an, for example, ich mache meine Mittagspause töcht 12 an 1 Uhr, no, which means after, and firun, which means before. So these are all the prepositions you can use before the time. Mistake number 7. When someone is asking you, "What are you doing after work?" the correct answer is no der Arbecht fuhrnisch heim. And not du no. Du no is an adverb. You have to use the preposition no. Donc, no der Arbecht fuhrnisch heim. And when the noun is feminine, like here in this case, you say no da. But when the noun is masculine, you have to say nodem, which contracts to nom. For example, nom kur fuhren ich heim. Nom isen gin ich op de Büro. Mistake number 8. Ich wohne nach mat mengen Eltern is not correct. If you want to say that you live with your parents, you don't say mat in Luxembourgish. You have to say ich wohne nach bei mengen Eltern. So when stating that someone is at a place or staying with someone, use the preposition by. We always use the preposition by plus persons. Mistake number 9. To answer correctly the question, wanneer fuhrt ihr an die Vakanz? You must say, wir fuhren am August an die Vakanz. So the correct preposition is am, which is the short form of an dem. It is not correct to say, wir fuhren im, this doesn't exist in Luxembourgish, or den August an die Vakanz. So always use am plus amount or amount an eng Jahreszeit. Zum Beispiel am Januar, am Winter, am Herbst, am Dezember. Mistake number 10. Ich sind immer zur Zeit am Arbecht. That's not correct. You must say, ich sind immer zur Zeit ob der Arbecht. So, Arbecht is feminine. Das d'Arbecht oder eng Arbecht. Okay? And you always use the preposition ob with Arbecht. You never use another preposition. So you can say, ich sind ob der Arbecht oder ich fuhre mam Bus ob der Arbecht. So you see always the preposition ob. So that was it for this lesson of today. So if you liked this lesson, consider taking a course with me. You can learn spoken Luxembourgish, practice your listening, improve your vocabulary and pronunciation, and more. So click on the link in the lesson's description here below, Lützeburgisch am Alltag, and get a free sample lesson from my online course. Talk to you in the next lesson.